If you want to be successful, face your fears, because a king is not born, he is made. Every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has successful ending. Accept the pain and get ready to success. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently. No one wants to support you at the start of your journey. But once they see your success, they all want to be friends. Slow success builds character. Fast success builds ego. Humans' job is to try. Success is given by Allah. To fail in a respectful manner is better than to be successful in a humiliate manner. This is the greatest success in this world, that you are free. You are not subject on circumstances, but circumstances are subject of you. Life is a continuously test. After falling 10 times, to stand up on 11th time is the success. Successful people change the world by their decisions, while unsuccessful people change their decisions by the fear of world. The journey of success begins with changing the world of your thinking, and then change your whole world. The first step to success is effort. Effort leads to mistakes. Mistakes lead to lessons. Lessons lead to experience, and experience lead to success. We will be successful in life if we follow the advice we give to others. Success is not about working hard, but also knowing where to work. Haste only leads to failure. Success requires patience.